With it being Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I want to dedicate this video to all of the breast cancer survivors, and especially my mom. My brother and I, we've started doing this haircut annually to honor her. She's been a breast cancer survivor since 2014, so we just wanted to do something special for her. This is the design that he wanted in the back of his head, so I just took a pencil and just started to sketch it out. I'm not gonna do too much talking in this video. I more so just want you guys to watch it. I really enjoyed doing this haircut too. For obvious reasons, it was sentimental to me.
No, this is actually perfect. It's perfect.
Okay. I let him check it in the mirror, and then now we're just gonna take the trimmer and start etching out the design. I don't really get nervous when doing designs. I just rather draw them in first, so that way I can see what it looks like and just trace over what I've already drawn. The only thing about this, you have to be careful because you don't have an eraser. So if you mess up, you kind of have to make adjustments on the fly. So that's why I always take my time when doing things like this. And I just want to say, I know cancer, it sucks. I just want to spread awareness to anybody that's dealing with cancer. And if I can say anything, it's just keep fighting. So after I get the ribbon etched in his head, I'm gonna go and fade around it. And I'm not gonna bore you guys with the fade tutorial. You guys have seen hundreds of fade tutorials on this channel, so that's not really gonna be the emphasis of this video. This video is more so to just honor those that have dealt with breast cancer. So right here with the design, I wanted to still make it pop a little, so I'm leaving a little bit of hair around the ribbon. And like I said, I'm just gonna fly through these steps. And then here I repeat the same fading steps on the other side. So the most time-consuming part of this haircut is doing the ribbon with the razor, just making it more defined. So here I took a hot towel to soften the skin and hair. And then next I'm gonna take some shave gel and just massage that into the design. I want the razor to glide as smoothly as possible. And as you can see how this could be the most time-consuming part. But I just take my time. Like I said, we're just having conversation. I wasn't in a rush. So this is the end result. As I turn him around, he was so pleased with the result, as was I. This, like I said, this was a really fun and sentimental haircut to do. And of course, when we showed our mom, she was extremely happy. So once again, I just want to spread awareness on breast cancer, and thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you all on the next video.